Hey everyone, this is Christopher Legrone, and I will try to make this pretty quick for you. I'm going to show you how I am currently using Google Drive for my cloud storage. So here on Google Drive, you will see on the left are folders that I already have set up. One of those being Classroom, and in the middle you will see Digital Badges. So this is where I can store my documents. If I wanted to open a new folder or even a new document of some sort, come over here to the left and click New. I'm going to choose Google Docs. You'll see that will bring up a brand new document that I can type whatever I want. And this is a document that I will be able to share with my peers if we were working on a project. So once I open that document, the good thing is if you go back over to Google Drive, you will see it's already there. Currently it's titled Untitled Document. But if I go back to Google Doc and I wanted to share this with my peers, I'll go to the right, click Share. I can type in the name of the document. I'm just going to skip that portion. And I can either put in their name, email address, or go to the bottom right where it says Advanced. And if I go to the bottom, I can click where it says Kinetic, and that is something I can email my classmates, and we can work on that document together. So I'm going to step out of there, go back over to Google Drive, and another good thing is if I wanted to add this to the digital badges, all I have to do is right click on it, and then I can move this to the appropriate folder, which I'm going to do right now. So that document now should be going under digital badges. So this is Google Drive. This is what I'm using for my current cloud storage. Have a good day.